Okay.
Oh, shut up.
How often?
That's enough.
That's not enough. Go on, Kay. Go, go, Kay, 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 Kay.
I'm going to be sick.
Go, go, Kay, go, go. Go on.
Okay, I'm going to be sick in a minute. Anybody like some vomit on them? That's enough, Tony! Oh my god!
See?
Oh my god!
That's a cheap night out. You pissed now, aren't you?
Oh my god!
It really does muck your head up. It's not.
You're so cruel to your sister, Dad.
Oh, you've done it to me. Go on, jump up.
No, no more.
Has someone took my hula hoop rubbish?
Oh.
No. It's horrible, isn't it?
I'm too scared.
Really, really horrible. $2.99, please. It's not too bad when you spin. It's only when you suddenly stop. It just knocks your brain about.
Feels like I just had a bottle of wine.
Munchy, munchy, munchy.
You're all horrible.
Hey, you done it to me. You was horrible.
I didn't push it.
I only done a little bit. Let me do it a bit faster next time.